In this video, I'll show you how to use a Visa gift card on Nintendo eShop step by step so you can buy your favorite games and DLC without confusion. Before you start, make sure your Visa gift card is activated, has enough balance for the purchase you want to make, and that you know the billing address registered to the card, because the Nintendo eShop will ask for that when you enter payment information online. First, turn on your Nintendo Switch and open the Nintendo eShop from the home menu. Sign in with the Nintendo account you want to use, then go to the game or content you want to buy. When you get to the checkout screen, choose the option to pay with a credit card, and here is where you'll enter your Visa gift card details just like you would enter a normal Visa debit or credit card. That means typing in the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and the billing address that matches what you registered with the gift card issuer. After entering all the details, double-check that everything is correct, especially the billing address, because the eShop compares that to the card's registered address for security. Make sure your order total, including any taxes, is covered by the balance on the Visa gift card before you confirm the payment. Once you hit confirm, the eShop should successfully charge your Visa gift card just like a regular card, and your purchase will begin downloading to your system. If the Visa gift card doesn't work directly on the eShop, a reliable fallback is to use the card to buy a Nintendo eShop prepaid card from a retailer and then redeem that code in your eShop account to add funds, which you can then spend on games or content. And when you're entering card details or making purchases online, it's smart to protect your connection and personal info. Consider NordVPN for extra security, and there's a link in the description where you can try it risk-free for a great price.